So this is the Tinkercad model that we built. So as you can see, there's the drone with the propellers and also the projector and the camera. And it also is linked to the drone so that once it flies, it goes to the village's location. It could like sort of project the videos and also monitor the villages through this camera.
My name is S. Karthik Raj, and I'm a part of the OTOG One Team One Goal. I've contributed to the project The Helping Drone by turning the idea to a project and also making the drone model and the drone. I had really fun working with my friends in this project.
My name is Akash Ram and I'm from the team One Goal that is doing a project named Helping Good for the Atal Marathon. So my contributions have been to give the basic startup idea and also to help build the model. Thank you.
My name is Sidindra and I'm studying in Royal Concord International School, Kalyan Nagar. I am also part of the team OTOG, One Team One Goal. And my contributions are that I've created a research document based on the project and I also helped in the designing of the drone. Thank you.